and then this is the one. And these are the things when I see it makes trading smart money very pleasing. Yeah, very, very pleasing, because this equal highs I talked about when price was down here, that it looks too juicy for them to leave that, and then we came close, and this is the one type of the entries I was talking about. So they form a short-term high and then reject. We have this equal high, so price running that's a good area to be selling short. But again, I am not doing that yet. Yeah, that's something I need to practice over and over and over again before I can do that. So you can practice and get yourself in these kind of trades where you have a clean level, but it's just a matter of trusting that it's going to work. Yeah, you have to trust it, and that trust bit is where you need to practice over and over again to gain the trust. So looking at price right now, we might run up there, take out, we might run up there, take it out, and then go down, and exactly what they did. What I wanted to see now is a pullback. Yeah, a pullback into, I think if it does come back to that last up candle, that could send it down again. Okay, so watch that level. If we do pull back in here, they could send it back down again. So you want to keep an eye on there for a continuation to the downside. I think they might come back all the way down and sweep this these lows. Okay, so the level to keep an eye on for now is there and then there. If it doesn't get all the way up here and it breaks this, then that is even better, because you can use this down candle, that one, to find a trade to continue going down. Okay, so if they don't come up here and then they break that, you can use that area and then find a trade to continue going lower, because this is just a run on stops and they're gonna come back down into this low gap. Right,